So this time we're doing subtraction. So the first question, we are not needing to borrow 10. So you write out 38 and directly underneath you write 14 and draw a line. First we do 8 take away 4, which is 4, and 3 take away 1, which is 2. So your answer's 24. This question, you'll need to borrow 10. So we'd write it out the same way, 43 take away 25. When you're doing subtraction, you can't just move the numbers around, so we can't do 5 take away 3. So we need to do 3 take away 5. However, you can't do that, so we need to borrow. So from this 4 tens here, we take a 10, so we're left with 3, and we move that 10 along. So now we have the number 13 take away 5. 13 take away 5 is 8, and then 3 take away 2 is 1. So your answer is 18. It's the same when it comes to a 3-digit number, so we put down 145, take away 53, draw a line. We always start at this side, so we do 5 take away 3, which is 2. Now we can't do 4 take away 5, so we need to borrow this 100. So that now becomes 0, and we move that 100 along here to that 10. So now we have 14 here, and we need to take away 5. So 14 take away 5 is 9, and then we have 0 take away nothing here, so that would be 0, so we could put that in, but it's not needed. So the answer here is 92. Lastly, we have a little bit more complicated, so we have 402 take away 56. Now we can't do 2 take away 6, so we need to borrow. Although the number next to it doesn't have anything to borrow, so we need to move it along. You can't just move a number from here, this is your hundreds, okay? So you move and borrow 1 first and move it along, and then we can borrow from there. You can't just borrow from here to take to here, you've got to move it along just one space. So now we're left with 12, and we've got 12 take away 6, which is 6. We now here have 9, so we do 9 take away 5, which is 4, and we've got 3 take away nothing, which is 3. So your answer is 346. So it's important to remember you can't just swap your numbers round, and it's also important to remember you can only move and borrow across once, and then you'll need to borrow and move across again.